Hello guys, in this video I will explain how to install Viva TV on FireStick from unknown sources. This video has everything you need to know about Viva TV streaming application. You can easily download the app and start streaming. Let's start the process. First we need to enable apps from unknown sources. So go to the FireStick setting and select my Fire TV. Go down, click on developer option. Here are two options, ADB debugging and unknown sources. Enable these options. When you turn on unknown sources, a pop-up message will appear on your screen asking are you sure to click on turn on button. Then go back to the home screen. Now we need to install a downloader app which allows us to download outsources app on FireStick. Let's install the downloader app. Click on search bar, then type here downloader. Select downloader from the search result. If there are multiple apps with similar name looks, go with orange color. Now tap on it to installation process. Once the installation complete, click open to launch it. So guys, this is the downloader app home screen. Click on search bar near the center of the home screen. Enter URL. Type here URL as vivatv.io. After typing URL, click on go button, then you will see Viva TV web page. Scroll down and click on download. Then it will connect to the server. Then downloading will be start. Once the downloading complete, installation section appears on your screen. Click on installation button. When the installation complete, click on done button and delete the backup file. After that, go back to the home screen and select application from the right side menu. So guys, this is the Viva TV. Now you can enjoy the streaming. That's it guys.